today I want to talk about eating out while you're dieting. So a lot of people right now have goals on losing weight. So I really wanted to talk about eating out because that's something that we do with our family. It's just part of our lifestyle. We don't have to cut out eating out of our plan just because we're dieting. So let me give you two different scenarios and how we would handle them. First thing is if you're eating out, you want to plan ahead as much as you can. So if you know you're going on a date night with your husband, then let's plan ahead. Let's sit down tonight, track out tomorrow. We're going to enter in that dinner. We're going to look up the menu to where we're going, figure out something that's going to fit within our macronutrients, plug that in as best as we can. Because we've been tracking for a while, we know how to kind of estimate portion sizes. That's one really great thing about tracking your macronutrients. After that, we're going to add in our breakfast and lunch and then plan meals around that to make sure that we still reach our goals while we're eating out. So super simple, just plan ahead, look up the menu to wherever you're going and pre-track that meal. So another scenario would be as if you don't know that you're eating out and it's just a unplanned out to dinner with your family. You don't want to say, no, I'm dieting. You want to be able to still go. So what you'll do is whatever dinner it's replacing or whatever meal it's replacing, you're going to take that meal and kind of look at the macronutrients that you have tracked in your tracking app. So you should already have your day planned out. So we're going to take dinner. So if you take your meals throughout the day and you spread out your proteins, your fats, and your carbs, then your dinner should just be a well-balanced meal. It should be really easy to replace those foods. Every restaurant has chicken, fish, some kind of beef that you can eat. You can ask for no butters, no oils added to your food. You can also ask for the grill to be cleaned. So those are really great things to do to not add extra fats into your meats, as well as your vegetables and whatever carb of choice that you choose, whether it's mashed potatoes or sweet potatoes or rice or anything like that. Ask for no butter added, and then if you want that stuff, you can add it on the side so you can see how much is being put into those meals. So super simple, easy ways to eat out, still hit our goals. You either have to plan ahead or you have to be prepared and just replace the meal that you're having with a meal that's like it. So say it's something like you're going to a pizza place, and that's really hard to fit within your macros if it's unplanned. So in that case, enjoy the pizza, have a slice, maybe have a salad with dressing on the side or pick a lower calorie dressing. And that may not hit your macronutrients for the day, but you still were able to enjoy that meal with your family, and you can get right back on track to hitting your macros the next day. You just don't have to have 4 or 5 pieces of pizza just because you went to a pizza place. Have one piece, have a small salad, that's gonna fill you up, and you should be good to just enjoy that meal with your family. So I hope this helped you figure out how to eat out while you're dieting. Try to stay away from things that are smothered, covered, different things that are mixed, like pastas and lasagnas, things like that, that you don't really know all the ingredients. Try to stick to things that have less ingredients, just a protein, a fat, and a carb, and those are a lot easier to track. So if you have any questions about eating out while you're dieting, put them down in the comments, or you can message me directly.